I'm excited to try these new watermelon plants, at least new to me. They are a wider, bigger growing variety than the bush sugar babies that I've grown in the past and I'm growing this year. I've got some plots of land that I'm going to put these on, and it's going to be exciting to see what happens with these. We've also got, these are the containers that I grew the bush sugar babies in last year to success, 1-for-1 previously last year. I'm really excited to see if there's a difference between these Epic 4 cells, which are not that wide, but they go deep, and these same 4-inch with the silicone base that we had success with last year. So stay tuned and see what happens. This is the destination for some of my watermelon plants, all of them on these plots here. And of course, I laid down just a little bit of good stuff here. It's supposed to rain just a little bit overnight. It's kind of cold today compared to the season we're in. So I threw these down just to add a little extra warmth and kind of mark where I dug. Looks like the one behind is floating a little bit too far behind. I'll probably move that a little bit farther forward and re-dig when I add some more fertilizer down and Azomite. So we've got right there. I've got some chicken manure pellets down, but I'm also going to add some berry tone to where I actually plant my seedling watermelon. And next thing you'll see is that. Since the last clip, I decided to hold off until the overnight temps are a little bit warmer. And coming up next, I'm going to show you what I'm planting. I'm going to plant these next off camera using berry tone and some water with some vitality to help these things root into the soil. And that's coming up next. So here we are, we've got the soil temp at 76.7. I've got this one planted. I planted this one in the middle because it was the healthiest one. This one was, it was from my Epic 4 cell, which is pretty small to have a plant this size in. Same for this one right here. But the other two back here, they were in my silicone 4-inch pots. Plenty of root space for this size, although we were getting pretty close to the point where we needed to transplant. Regardless, this is where we're at right now. And I'm gonna do updates. I may wrap this video here, but if there's more in the video, that means there's more to the story, and you'll see that next.